Hello, today I'm going to show you how to determine whether the following series is divergent or convergent. And the series is sigma e with the power of 1 divided by n minus e with the power of 1 divided by n plus 1 when n changes from 1 to infinity. Okay, here if you calculate the limit of this term when n goes to infinity, that will be e with the power of 1 divided by infinity, which is 0. So e with the power of 0 is equal to 1. This one as well will be e with the power of 1 divided by infinity, which is 0. E with the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you calculate the limit of this expression, when n goes to infinity, this will be equal to 0. Therefore, this test is not useful for us, because when the limit is equal to 0, the series could be convergent or divergent. Note that when the limit is not equal to 0, or if it does not exist, you can conclude the series is divergent. But when the limit is equal to 0, it's not useful. So you need to find a different way to evaluate this series. Okay, let's compute the partial sums in that case. So Sn will be equal to basically sigma e with the power of 1 divided by I minus e with the power of 1 divided by I plus 1 when I changes from 1 to n. And now if you expand this series, that will be equal to e with the power of, so I will be equal to 1, that will be 1 divided by 1 minus e with the power of 1 divided by 2. 1 plus 1 will be equal to, right? Plus, now I will be 2, this will be equal to 1 divided e with the power of 1 divided by 2 minus e with the power of 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Okay? Plus, I will be 3, that will be e with the power of 1 divided by 3 minus e with the power of 1 divided by 4. Okay? And you can continue that until when I is equal to n, and that will be e with the power of n, 1 divided by n minus e with the power of 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay? As you can see here, this term is basically cancelled by this term. This term is cancelled by the previous term. Okay, and e with the power of 1 divided by n will be cancelled out as well by the previous term. So all that is left is the first term, which is e, minus the last term, e with the power of 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so now we can write that this series, which is the series was sigma e with the power of 1 divided by n minus e with the power of 1 divided by n plus 1 when n changes from 1 to infinity. This sigma, this series is equal to basically is equal to the limit of the Sn when n goes to infinity. Okay, and this will be limit of this term, because we calculated Sn will be equal to this term, that is e minus e with the power of 1 divided by e with the power of 1 divided by n plus 1 when n goes to infinity, and that will be equal to e minus, so that is when n is infinity, 1 divided by infinity plus 1 is equal to 0, and e with the power of 0 will be equal to 1. Okay, so since this limit exists, that means this series is convergent, and it converges to e minus 1. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.